Welcome back, dear viewers. Welcome to our today's session of online math classes with Gulfam Shaikh. So in the last lesson we have seen exercise 1.1 of chapter number 1, angles and its measurement. So today we will see 1b, that is draw the angles of the following measures and determine their quadrants. So there are namely 4 quadrants: quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we just have to name in which quadrant the angle will come. So the exercise is as follows. This is exercise 1b. Draw the angles of the following measures and determine their quadrants. So first example is minus 140 degree. So here what we will do, we will draw lines so it is minus 140. We'll take a protractor, minus means it will start in clockwise direction. If we go in clockwise direction like this, clockwise direction, then angle is negative. If we go like this, clockwise direction, angle is negative. And if we go in anti-clockwise direction like this, then angle is positive. So here I will tell you what are the quadrants. So this is the first quadrant. Here is your first quadrant. Here is your second quadrant. Here is your third quadrant. And here is your fourth quadrant. So this is minus 140. So what we will do, we will just flip this like this. And if we start from here, This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So 140 comes here. It comes here. So this is your 140, that is minus 140. We will take from this direction and will come here because we are going in clockwise direction, so angle will be negative. So minus 140 will be here in third quadrant. So we can write from the figure the given angle terminates in third quadrant. Quadrant. Okay, we'll clean this. So first example is done. Next example we will see. Next example is 250 degree. Next example is 250 degree. How much? It is 250 degree. So this is our third quadrant. 250. So again we will have to take out the protractor. So from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 170, 180. So first two quadrants are occupied up till 180 degree. So 0 to 90 is first quadrant, 90 to 180 is second quadrant. Again if we take protractor, if I flip this, and if I keep over here, see 170, then 180, again add 10, 190, 20, 1, 190, 200, 200, 210, 220, 230, 40 and 50. So it will be here. Where it will be here. This 40, 50, 60 and 70. 180 plus 70 degree. So 250 we can write it as 250 can be written as 180 plus 70 This is how much? 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carried, 1 plus 1 is 2. So from here to here is 180, and 180 plus up to here 180 plus 70 is 250. So, and this angle is positive, so we will go anti-clockwise direction. We will go in anti-clockwise direction. So from here to here, so this is 1, 2 and 3. So from the figure, the given angle terminates in third quadrant. So what we can write? Here I can write from the given figure, the given angle terminates in third quadrant. Got it? So this was example number 2. Next is example number 3. Let us check what is example number 3. Example number 3 is 420. Example number 3 is example number 3, that is 420. So just remember, if you are going in clockwise direction, then angle will be negative. If you are going in anti-clockwise direction, then angle will be positive. So it is positive, so we will have to go in anti-clockwise direction. So let me draw the lines, quadrants for you. So this is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So we will start from here. We will start from here. 0, we came here up till 90, then 180, this is 270, this is 360 and 360 plus 60. 360 plus 60 is what? 420. This is 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, again this is 360. If I take a protractor and measure from 360, we can write so here is the protractor. If I take the protractor, if I keep it over here, So I can write 420 as I can write 420 as 420 is equal to what? 360 plus 60. So see here, if I start from here, this is 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 90. Here up till here it is 180. If I take again, if I do like this, then from here if I move from here, 180 plus 90 is 270, and this will become 180 plus 180, 360. Again if I turn this, 360, now I will start from here. See here, 360 plus 10, 370, 370, 390, this is 400, 410 and 420, 60 we have to take. 360 plus 60. So if I start from here, this is up to 90, 180, 270, 360 and again 60, that is 420. So it comes here in first quadrant. So what I can write from this? So I can write the given angle terminates in first quadrant. The given angle terminates in first quadrant. We'll move on to next example, that is example number 4. I hope that you have understood this. Next example, is example number 4, that is 750. $750. if you take two complete rounds, so here it is 0 degree, here it is 90, sorry, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360, 450, 540, 630, 720. So if I start from here, this is 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, 540, 630, 630 and 720, and in 720 again I will have to add 30 more. So if I go, so here it will become, here it will come 30, 750. So 750 will come in first quadrant. This is your first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. I can write 750 as 720 plus 30. So if I take a protractor now and put it over here, you can see 720 plus 30, it comes here exactly. It comes here. So starting from here, this is 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360, 360 to 450, 450 to 540, 540 to 630, 630 to 720 and 720 plus 30, that is 750. So I can write here from the figure the given angle terminates in first quadrant. The given angle terminates in first quadrant. So this was our fourth example. Next example, Next example is example number 5. Example number 5 is 945. So these are our 4 quadrants. So if I start, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is x dash, and this is y dash. So if I start from here, this is 0 degree, 90, 180, here you have 270, here you have again 360, here you have 450, here you have 540, here you have 630, here you have 720, here you have 810, here you have 900 and plus 45. So here it will come. So I can write 945 as 900 plus 45 degree. So let me take out the protractor. So if I take out the protractor and keep it over here and flip it like this, so I started from here. Just see, this is your first quadrant, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270, then it is 360, 450, 450, 540, 540, 630, 630, then 720, 720, 810, 810 and 900. So 900 comes here, and from this point 900 I will have to measure how much? 45 degree. So here is 45, near about. This is your 45 degree. So 900 plus 45. So where does it comes? So this is your first quadrant. This is your first quadrant. Just a minute. This is your first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So our answer is coming here, 900 plus 45. It comes here in third quadrant. So I can write what I can write here, 945 comes, the angle terminates in third quadrant. Just a minute. There's something wrong with my pen. My pen is not working. So what we can write? We can write that 945 comes in third quadrant. So it comes in third quadrant. That's all for today. See you in the next session.